Hello, SSC amadi atop government exams ke experience mayam bu ahan mamaktar GKGS Manipur na welcome tawjari. Asisu GKGS Manipur na one word substitution sari ba topic asida. Black book ki top 200 taki khangatlaba maru oiba important oiba expected oiba questions kara pudun laksari. And masi aina mayam nungaina bu gidamakta MCQ format ta pujarakpani and mamang dasu ai one word substitution ki previous year questions nainaba video ama puduna laksakre hariba video ado yengbiu go through tobiu adugo mayam question ki mawong do analyze tobiu and masi aina particularly SSC topic wise nainariba hoju ko chathariba class ga mari lainana pujarakpani ka do atopa khoi topic sing desu video mayam pujarakre aduga khoi matung tarapda so atopa important topic sing desu khoi video ke am pujarakeni maram maduna akhoi gi GKGS Manipur ki channel ase bu subscribe to vidriba akhoi gi experiencing brothers and sisters in the channel ase subscribe to viduna and share to viduna support to view haina nixing jari and masi hara kan ngasi ki question continue to ngam tawrsi so ngasi ki question han ba du akhoi gi SSC ki exam do 17 times hangrab question ama naina akhoi pudun lakchare one who loves all mankind natra akhoi gi mankind pu namak khoi nusiba person to khoi kai ko option number A the atheist, option number B the theist, and option number C the philanthropist, and option number D the polyglot. Option section naina ba matam do option mari se u matam de u matam da dom arrive question ni ka answer si de khang biramoni but option section naina se atheist sabe de kana bana a person who does not believe in god ne ko who does not short has the midu khon atheist ko adogi opposite in contrast that theist natra theist ata de khoi short has the midu ko and polyglot have the khoi and who can speak multiple languages to go khoi polyglot ko multiple languages ko so from this the correct option is option number C philanthropist with this question number 2 to continue question number 2 is in mamangi one was substitution gi kano dasu video dasu pujarakra and amu hanjilakpu maram de mamang da ina options explain to the correctly explain to kan sus to da ina siran turan haitare options sus to greba ko adugi damak to mayam nang akpigani ado amtang nainaraga yengminase one who does a thing for pleasure and not as profession and aina masigi options amateur and haiba akoigi new to a profession or unprofessional or new to a profession or unprofessional haiba unprofessional oiba and haiba se akoi sus to bugi mohta ina volunteer ina sus to greb ko sigi damak to mayam ngakpi gani an athlete and a sport person moi wani de no mo synonym ne mayam khangbira ko so with this ko mayam ngakpi de harega akoi question number 3 da mo continue to orsi question number 3 the a plus for keeping the barge in a confined space ko ge object thampham ko object thampham confined to kan object thampham space to ko ne kari ko no ina SSC gi exam 14 times angro question APRE cobra APRE cobra dre cobra house cobra option mari na and house ti ka oiroi khang house de ko mi leina bani na tra dre have de ko gi picture do ure ko nest of the squirrel do ko na de dre ko squirrel nest of the squirrel do khone dre ko and APRE have de ko gi bis haing ko gi yukpham thambam do ko na APRS ko so from this the correct is APRE ko option number B and question number 4 to continue to SSC exam the 16 times angro question a solution for all difficulties or diseases ko difficulties among diseases ko dum ki solution kari no anani and option the medical hospital penasiara euthanasia option mari nei na re ko option mari shi medicine na tre hospital na tre option ani katanga ore and euthanasia have di ke do ko ending mi ama gi punsi lotion ba tar ending of a person's life to relieve from suffering aitar akhogi punsi awaba sidagi relief tongna bagi domakta akhoi mi amagi punsi lotion medu ko ni euthanasia ko or say sometimes ko painless killing of people kind of haine ko painless killing of people China khanghandan mi mo hatok pudo khoina ke kore yuthana sha kana sara. From this the correct option is panacea ko. Panacea is a solution for all difficulties or diseases ko. And question number 5 to continue torsi one who draws and produce maps ko ko SSC the 12 times hunger one who draws and produce map ko. The third the photographer, option number B the designer, option number C the cartographer, and option number D the draftsman and ko. So mayam options yengudu no khangbi photographers natre designers natre option ani khatang le more and draftsman habdi kana no hamatam a person who drafts legal document dubo khoina kai kaura draftsman ko legal document draft story person dubo khoina draftsman ko. So from this the correct option is option number C cartographer ko. And question number 6 to amuk yeng se able to use both hands equally 12 times hangar ka amuk ta khoi gi kai do khud anima we shi chu khud both right hand and as well as left hand se equally shi na ngam badu ko na kai kore kai ko no nang han was on the right handed cobra adept cobra ambidextrous cobra skillful cobra and right handed in a trem right handed te tum khang bi ro mani ko khud ye. And like akogi picture this ure akogi share kana 3 idiot ki virus type to khudani machine ba haibuda ka adu kari ko puno shini ka. And adapt have the skillful yamna skillful oiba should oiba do work on adapt ko ko. So from this the correct option is ambidextrous. Ambidextrous able to use both hands equally well ka. So mine khangbi ragani ko me understand or magne thazai. So with this question number 7 the continue to say an SSC exam the 9 times sangro question number pudrun lecture a person who writes and edits dictionaries ka dictionaries iba amasing date story mi do kari ko no an hangi go the bibliography ani shu option the lexicographer and ahum sub option the incorrigible and mari shu option the librarian and hai ka. And option mari pire option mari is librarian the oracle librarian the person who was in charge of library to work on a librarian ko ko si moidre and incorrigible have whose can't be corrected have to topya da do ko incorrigible ko si se dum ko option sing nai nari si am hana ko dum hang rabo ngak tani ko ko shoid nang khangbi nang and bibliophile ka have je kaino a lovers of books or a person who loves to read or collect book haitare adu bo khona ke ko bibliophile ko samna a lover of books and adum haijabani ko me. So from this the correct option is option number B lexicographer. And option sing nai na bimaram je akhoi option sing je akhoi ge adum SSC exam da hangraba keno oi haitare tam ngak to oi haitare adu ge me sum nai na jabani ko. And with this question number 8 tam continue to say as and it was asked 10 times la hangraba question ama purudun la a person who eats human flesh miyoi bagi haksang saba ko who eats human flesh to kon kari ko bono his genocide cobra omnivorous cobra herbivorous cobra cannibal cobra ka khangwira moni option sing je option mari se dum nai na da dum irai la na option sing je su to khang omnivorous khang amani herbivorous khang amani ba ni sina tre ko genocide have dia khoi gi ethnic group or group of people hatok ko group of people ama kill the budu ko moi mam se killing haitar killing of ethnic group or group of people to bokoni genocide ko aduga adu tardi. From this the correct option is option number D cannibal ko. And omnivorous and herbivorous te ko explain to we matau ta tre mam ne hen ira line khangbiram ne ko. And question number 9 the continue to say one who is unable to pay debts ko mangara khangraba ko SSC exams ta ko akogi sendol don senba mi gi sen singdok pangam do mi to kari ko bono ngi so solvent cobra insolvent cobra banker cobra creditor cobra and hangi ko. From this ko khangam mani the correct option is correct option se nai na ding item yam nai se ko banker khangam mani creditor ko mani solvent have de ke do debt free mi do ko ne solvent ko debt free mi do ko. So insolvent ha ga de ko bankrupt ko ba bankrupt ko mi do ko insolvent ko adu tardi the correct option is option number B insolvent. Bankrupt hoita de ko mi gi debt pay to ngam gidro ngamroi na tra adu tardi the correct option is insolvent. And question number 10 don't continue to say someone having many skills koi yamna skillful oiba ko person atop skills am khatang to skills mayam haiba hai tare ko dum person to kari ko bano hange ko as 9 times ko agnostic cobra versatile cobra accomplished cobra introvert cobra mayam soi nang khangbi ro ni option jing ge na tom do khoi introvert haibdi yamna timid oiba natra yamna shy oiba person to ko introvert ko accomplished ka haibdi a partner in crime ka haibdi natra a partner in crime do when accomplice ko agnostic hai ta di kai do a person who is not sure about the existence of God, who is not sure about the existence of God. Sure se exist over tawdabra and sure in thajabangam do do ko agnostic ko and accomplice hai ta de ko gi crime mo to se nariba partner hai ta do ko accomplice ko other a partner in crime kan haim ko. So with this the correct option is option number B, versatile ko. And next question no continue to me. Next question, the SSC exam to Nepal hangrab 8 times hangrab question. A situation in a country in which there is no government or order or control. Order or control fazana laitaba government fazana laitaba khoi country to kari government to kari kobano nangi ko plutocracy cobra, monarchy cobra, or democracy cobra, or anarchy cobra. And option mari nei nare some option je yengu da khoi adom khangmo ne plutocracy have the khoi government of the wealthy people ne wealthy people na rule the country to wo khoi na ke ko wealthy people paisa pai people na rule the country to khoi plutocracy ko monarchy di khoi king or queen na rule the ko and democracy hai ta the representatives to kanan elected over are elected by the people natra dubo khoina kai kauri democracy ko. And from this the correct option is option number D, that is anarchy ko. And question number 12 to continue to question number 12 to SSC exam do manga ara hangrab a poem that expressed lament for the dead ko khoi gi sigraba mi amgi bu lament over teng thabagi hai tai ko adomba sigraba mi muteng thabagi adomba poem to bo khoina kari ko bano na hange ko the swear cobra ban cobra him cobra lazy cobra and hange ko. From this okay swear have the kaina okay a group of singers in the church to khoina swear ko a group of singers in a church saita mokhoi du bo khoina kai kore swear ko ban me am khangbi ram gani hen him have the okay a religious oiba song natra religious poem or song natra adu ko him ko. And from this the correct option is akhoi lazy cinema ko. And question number 13 the continue to extreme fear of water 8 times hangrabo ko ising yamna kiba mi do khoi na kai ko bano and hange ko hydrophobia, acrophobia, amazophobia, cynophobia. Option mari later option mari che ubuda dum khangwi ramagani ka correct option the top option is na ki say cynophobia have the fear of dog to bo khoi na kai ko cynophobia ka hui yam ki mi do khoi cynophobia ka amazophobia have the fear of riding in a car thobo ki bagi hai tar adum bagi aki du bo khoi na kai ko amazophobia ka acrophobia is the fear of extreme height tar awang baki ba mi du bo khoi na acrophobia ko. So from this the correct option is hydrophobia. Mayam so it understand to biromogani ne thajai and aduna question 14 the continue to see tare laga hangrab question number pudun laks a person who dislike women nupi pam the vai tare to person to kari ko bono an hange ko effeminate, feminist, misogynist, misandrist and option mari pire. So option sing ne correct option hai dang da ko effeminate have the a man or a person who behaves more like a woman to bo khone ke kora nupa di mi or nupa karamba nupa who behaves more like a woman nupi ta to nupa natra do bo khone ke kora effeminate kora like homo natra si option na tre do taraga de khage and feminist side taraga de kari khage feminist side de khage a person who works for the equal rights of women with man ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒ ꯍꯛ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁ ꯀꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ and misandrist ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ a person who dislike men ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯊꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ misandrist ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ C is the correct option ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯊꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ misogynist ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ so from this the correct option number C ꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ question 15 ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯁꯦ liable to break easily ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯒꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯣ and ask 6 times ꯀꯣ 6 ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ರೆ SSC exam ꯗ rigid flexible strong brittle ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ the correct option ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ option ꯁꯦ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯕꯅꯤ the correct option is option number D ꯀꯣ rigid ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ strong ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ rigid ꯀꯧꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ flexible ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ bendable ꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯛꯇꯣꯛ ꯊꯦꯛꯆꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ flexible ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ so with this question number 16 down chalase 6 times hangraba question amu pudun laksare that is fit to drink ko thakpada yaba habne ko edible oibra delectable oibra feasible oibra potable oibra ina ko option mari nainare ko so edible habdi kaina fit to eat sabada yaba habne ko sabada yaraba pot fit to eat oibdu ko khoni edible ko delectable habdi delicious oiba hauba pot to ko khoni kai ko delectable ko and feasible habdi kai to kari gumba thaba um irai laina tawba yaba possible to do easily or conveniently conveniently do correct feasible correct from this the correct option is option number D portable and with this question number 17 then we'll continue to see a speech made to one cell Shani the same job speech to kari kaubuna ta hum lag hangre SSC exam ta ko hyperbole cobra or kadoba herang cobra or soliloquy cobra or sacrilege cobra and hangiko the from this the correct option is hyperbole have the and exaggerated statement engine na ko higel love statement do ko ne ke kore exaggerated or koina hyperbole ko and harang have the kaino have matam da speak in a loud or angry way hatar kari wangang but yamna hauna amasung yamna sounding bamong the angry bamong the ngang do koina hyperbole ko kaidauna magi tong tanga ino kana ko mama criticize tong no gi no ta khoi wa ngang yam law na hong na ngang do ko in order to criticize someone do ko herang ko and sacrilege have the kaidawa violation of what is considered sacred ko sacred when law do considered sacred akoina lai gini secret oina holy oina kain lobo poto khon violate to budu khon ke gora sacrilege correct from this the correct option is option number C soliloquy ko and question number 18 down continue to say the plants and vegetation of a particular region do khon kari have no option number mangara hangraba option mari ni narsi ko flora fauna florist biotic ko adui tagari myam soidna khangbira magani the correct option is that is biotic I have to another share flora fauna florist the correct option is option bo correct no that is option number A flora fauna the wild animals natro animals of a particular region do bo correct fauna natra and florist site a person who sells and arranges cut flowers natra lai fajana katna kaktana khotana torakanda fajana yoliba mi du bokhoina kai kaure florist ko from this question 19 9 C ko with this ko mangara hangar question ama pudun la SSC gi exam da incapable of being tired or exhausted ko sungthaba exhausted nai da jokthaba nai da du bokhoina kari ko bonoi incredible oibra cobra irrevocable oibra inflammable cobra indefatigable cobra and hangeko ma'am option correct option hai dingai da option sing nainarasi incredible hai ta gadi akoi unbelievable oiba ko unbelievable oiba hena angak pa faw buto ko incredible ko na to so irrevocable hai ta di ke do cannot be reverse natra amu halo ya yaroi to ko irrevocable ko cannot be reversed or cannot be changed hai ta adubo ko irrevocable ko and inflammable have the easy to get can catch fire easily mai chakan batu bo khoina kai kawra inflammable ko buna to. So with this indefatigable is the correct option ko. Option number D is the correct option ko. And question number 20 don't continue to see. Question number 20, a person who oppose war or use of military force ko. Karamba person ko taruk la hangrabani ko SSC ki exam da. Karamba person who oppose war yadaba and military force sinabase yadaba person jibo ko kari kaure. Option the novice cobra, ascetic cobra, pacifist cobra, martial cobra, and option marine nine. Novice te koi nine nagre. Novice te a person who is new to a profession, neither a person who is new to a profession, neither profession. The sangak padangari person do work on a novice ko like a measure ko. Ascetic habit no one who denies Sigi awan ngai thado over me do work on aesthetic or like sen haitara koi muni rishi kumba like one who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasures ka have to ko akoi aesthetic ko. So idan khang bira mon and martial have tari marai ba ki damo to thawai martial ka koi ko me. So martial ka the correct option is option number C, that is pacifist ka. Question number 20 ki correct option is pacifist. And question number 21 the ka continue to a person very reserved in speech ka akhoi yam na wang ngan da ba mi du kari ko buno he ka mari ra hangre SSC ki exam da verbose ka reticent ka energetic ka lengthy yam na sangbai energetic full of energy ka si oidre option ani se ka. And verbose ha de khoi talkative oibado wayang mi do ko na verbose ko. So si su the correct option is option number B, reticent ko. Question number 22 don't continue to see akhoi SSC exam da taruk la hangra da study of the nature of God and religious beliefs. Adu bo khoi na kari ko buno ishwar religion gi maram da nai da show gi maram da nai na bu bo khoi na kari ko buno theology ko ecology ko horticulture ko ornithology ko ocean mari pi re ko maya akhoi ornithology have the kind of study of birds che ki maram da nai na bu bo khoi na kari ko ra ornithology ko study of birds. And horticulture have the kind of study of growing garden plants aitare study of growing garden plants se matau kar maina hogani ka mate ko maina thagani na haibo khoi garden plants se matau kar maina hohan gani ka maina thagani haibo khoi na kai kora horticulture ko. And ke do ecology is study of environment do khoi na ecology ko puna tra environment and mosong maha ki surrounding haitare ko environment and their surrounding study to ko the relationship between atop organisms amosong environment amosong makhoi ki surrounding study to khoi ecology ko. From this the correct option is option number A, theology is the study of nature of God and religious belief ka. Question 23 don't continue to say kataruk la hangra SSC exam to ko a building in his aircraft or house aircraft thambam do ko kari ko bano na hangi ka hamlet cobra hangar cobra or hunger cobra abatoy cobra. And ma'am she need option number B and option number C ngobi kana ko banan khenai ko. So hapetang pronunciation hapetang manatara. So hamlet have the kind of a small village to go in hamlet ko a small village ya ko na kai do hamlet ha ga khang ne. And hanger have ta de khoi gi phi yana ba khoi gi kano the hanger ko khoi Manipuri da se tum hanger ha ra male de ko. And abattoir ha ka de a place where animals sahat from the animals are slaughtered slaughter slaughter ko sa hat from the kai do no gi damokta khoi chinja ki damokta for food ki damokta khoi na sa hat liba jaga do khoi na kai kore about to kore. From this the correct option is hunger ko. Hunger se is a building in a aircraft or house. From this khoi correct option ni na the question 24 don't continue to question 24 mangara hunger question of SSC exam da a person who is skilled at producing beautiful handwriting ko kui phajabu putho ibum person thokwa haiba person do kari ko calligraphy ko calligrapher ko choreographer ko professional ko and hange ko मैम calligrapher का ngau bi kan ko sigi correct option che dum hajar ge calligrapher o ka dum ni ko that is option number B o ka dum and calligraphy ha ta ga the art of producing beautiful handwriting dune masisu beautiful handwriting puthokpagi di oiba adubu makna art dune sina grapher harakta de person du bune me khangbiragani ko person dune and choreographer haita de dance kai kai taiba ko dance ki movement kai kai tai to choreographer ko me amnen khangbiramuni and professional ko khangbiramuni me amnen si option ani sina tre da correct option is option number B ko with this last but not the least ko question 25 nurse a doctor who attend to bone problem ko koi bone gi laina treatment toriba saru gi laina treatment toriba doctor do bokhoina kari kobno na hange ko pathologist cobra ornithologist cobra pediatrician cobra cardiologist cobra me amna nurse pathologist have the kind of doctor kamo doctor diseases singi maram da nainari ba doctor sing do bokhoina ke doctor do bokhoina ki kora pathologist kore and pediatrician ha ta child doctor do angangi doctor do khona pediatrician kore and cardiologist ha ta de koi heart ki specialist heart ki maram da nainari ba heart ki doctor do khona kedara cardiologist kore from this the correct option is ornithologist ko ornithologist ko masi na ngasigi ko khoi ki question aroi bo oira question number 25 sina an khoi ngasai masigi video se hobudagi na loi ho yang video channel now sing an atopa viewers sing khoi ki video se bo kitang to su kana ye hena khanbi butara ga video se like share and subscribe to video channel also support to biro mo an pdf ki damakta me ai gi whatsapp channel amsong whatsapp group ai gkgs manipur sida ai join option biro ai description da link soidana hapsarange ai whatsapp channel amsong whatsapp group ge join option biro pdf ki damakta an atop important updates ki damakta ko and masi harakanda mayam amukan thagatsari